Hello everyone. What are the different office job that you have in the construction? First is you can become an estimation engineer, or we call them as a cost engineer in some companies. Then you can go towards the billing engineer job. Next is you can enter into tender and contracts department. After that, you can even get into a procurement engineer job. In India, there are very few companies those who take on this particular domain. But in Middle East countries, no, you get a good openings in the procurement engineer job. Then one is planning engineer. To become a planning engineer, you should have a knowledge about the site, the sequence of execution. Then you should have a good knowledge on MS Excel, MSP, and Primavera. Especially if you're working in the Middle East countries, Primavera is preferred over MSP. Next, you can go for QA/QC job also. That is also a good job where you'll be working like let's say 50% on the construction side and 50% in the office. You take care of the documentation and the other part. BIM is also something which you can look for. If you're interested towards the technologies and all, you can go towards the BIM job. Then there are certain jobs in the RMC plan, that is ready mix concrete plant, where you can become a QA/QC. You can get into a sales, marketing jobs and all. But of course, that life is a bit tough in the RMC, but it has good future also. Next is a job like project coordinator, where you coordinate with all the stakeholders. Even you can get into that job. Next is interior fit out. Like being a site engineer, you take care of the RCC work. In the same way, if you take care of the interior portion, interior work, and also if you take out the measurements on the sites and all, we usually call them as an interior fit out engineer. Next, you have AutoCAD Draftman and Tekla Modeler. Again, basically, if you're an ITI holder or a diploma holder, you can get into these jobs. So again, apart from that, there are many other domains in the construction industry. I would always suggest start your career as a site engineer. Learn at least for 1.5 year. Try to finish one entire project. Later, you can go towards the other job. Apart from that, we have a structure design jobs also. I didn't add it here because here it was all about the project management. If you want about the structure engineering, put it in the comment box that you require structure engineering. I'll do that in the next reel. And if you want to learn all these things in a more better way, download my Civil Brains app, where I've given you a free course where you can upgrade your knowledge.